me, Holly, and I'm going to show you how many laps I can skip. I'm not a good skipper or chipper. 1, 2. Oh, that's so stupid. Okay, now let's try and do it in Cinderella and then Teddy Bear. Cinderella, my teddy bear, okay? Don't judge me if it's wrong. Jess, will you please shut up? Okay, I'm gonna try and do it with Cinderella. Cinderella, the Cinderella. Okay, I'm a terrible skipper. Don't blame me. Cinderella, the Cinderella. How many can you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, for God's sake, I'm so dumb at this. Okay, let's try. Jessica, please will you move? I know you can see yourself. I know it's an illusion, but please can you move? Okay. Now let's try with Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear, turn that. Teddy Bear, turn that. I'm trying to turn around. Teddy Bear. Teddy. Ah! That's too short. Teddy Bear, turn. Ah! Let's try this Cinderella. Cinderella, Cinderella. How many kisses can you get? 1. Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay, thank you for watching my short skit, and I wish you can skip better than me. If you want to be in the shadows, comment down below how many laps you can do skipping. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. Toodles!